Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Time. Today we are going to be making chocolate covered peanut butter Ritz crackers, I think is the name. And this one's nice because you only need some Ritz crackers, some peanut butter, and then some chocolate to melt. I'm using some white chocolate. So you're going to start off by just pretty much making little peanut butter sandwiches with your Ritz crackers. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of them. It's pretty self-explanatory. But put however much peanut butter you want in there. And then you'll just make a little sandwich, just like that. So I'm going to do a few and then show you. And I think this will be tasty because this will make it kind of salty and creamy, and then the white chocolate be nice and sweet. All right, just like that. So I'm gonna do enough to fill my sheet pan here, and then I'll show you the next step. All right guys, I'm back. I've melted some of the white chocolate in a bowl. You can hear my puppy crying. And so what I'm gonna do is just drop the little peanut butter sandwiches in there, make sure they're well coated, and then put, take them out with a fork. So we'll do a couple. These are gonna be so good. So kind of use the spoon to like kind of make sure everything gets covered. And Scout says, I want some. You guys will enjoy this. I brought yarn home to work on a craft thing, and every day she's been dragging it out of my office like she's a cat. And just like dragging it around the living room. So that's why she's in her bed. Yeah. Hope you guys can see this pretty well. And you just want to make sure you keep going because the chocolate will harden. You want to make sure you get, which you can always heat it back up, but it's nice if you can kind of just work through it real quick. And it's looking like I'm probably going to run out of chocolate because these take up quite a bit. So I'm going to have to microwave some more. Or if you wanted one that wasn't completely coated, you could always do just a drizzle. Do you hear her? Goodness gracious. So like this one is not as coated. So I'll do as much as I can, and then I'll probably drizzle some more on here. All right. So I have 6 done, so I'm gonna do some more chocolate on these other ones, and I'll show you guys when they're all done. All right guys, they are all done. Excuse my messy pan, but so these look super delicious, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the fridge so that the chocolate can harden and set for a little bit. And then they should be all good to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy making this. And if you do, please share pictures with us. All right, see you later.